Imagine pulling up to a traffic light in a tiny car with just 3 wheels. The driver in the lane next to you looks over, blinks twice, and asks, "Wait, where's the 4th wheel?" You smile, drive away, and leave everyone scratching their heads. Welcome to the wonderfully strange world of the Reliant Robin, one of the most unusual and misunderstood vehicles ever built. While many people remember it as the little car that tipped over in comedy shows, the truth is far more interesting. The Reliant Robin wasn't created to make people laugh. It was designed to solve a real problem, and for thousands of people, it was a brilliant solution. The story begins in Britain during the early 1970s. At the time, owning and running a traditional car could be expensive. Fuel prices were rising, taxes added extra costs, and insurance wasn't cheap either. Reliant, a small British manufacturer known for building lightweight vehicles, believed there was a smarter way. Their answer was the Reliant Robin, introduced in 1973. Because it had 3 wheels instead of 4, it was classified differently under British regulations. In many cases, it qualified for lower road taxes, cheaper insurance, and could even be driven by people holding a motorcycle license. Suddenly, thousands of people who couldn't easily afford a regular car had a practical and economical alternative. At first glance, the Robin looked like a tiny family car that someone had accidentally forgotten to finish. Its rounded body, compact dimensions, and single front wheel gave it a distinctive appearance unlike anything else on the road. Yet beneath its quirky looks was some surprisingly clever engineering. The body was made from lightweight fiberglass, a material that wouldn't rust and helped keep fuel consumption impressively low. Under the hood sat a small but dependable engine that provided enough power for everyday driving. It wasn't built to win races or impress sports car enthusiasts. Instead, it was designed to get people to work, carry groceries, visit friends, and travel economically without breaking the bank. Now, here's where the Reliant Robin became famous for all the wrong reasons. Because it balanced on 1 wheel at the front and 2 at the back, people assumed it must be unstable. Over the years, jokes spread that the little car would roll over every time it went around a corner. Television made those jokes even bigger. The British motoring show Top Gear famously featured dramatic scenes of a Reliant Robin tipping onto its side during sharp turns. The clips were hilarious, and millions of viewers around the world believed that every Robin behaved exactly the same way. What many people didn't realize, however, was that those scenes were deliberately exaggerated for entertainment. In reality, a properly maintained Robin driven sensibly was perfectly capable of everyday driving. Like any vehicle, it had its limits, but it wasn't constantly flipping over every time someone turned the steering wheel. Despite becoming the punchline of countless jokes, the Robin quietly built a loyal following. Owners appreciated its excellent fuel economy, low running costs, simple mechanical design, and surprisingly spacious cabin. Its fiberglass body resisted rust far better than many steel-bodied cars of the era, and repairs were generally straightforward and inexpensive. Small business owners used them for deliveries, families relied on them for daily transportation, and many drivers loved the attention the quirky little 3-wheeler attracted wherever it went. It wasn't unusual for complete strangers to stop and ask questions, or smile as the Robin passed by. Few cars could start conversations as easily as this tiny British oddball. Today, the Reliant Robin enjoys something few automobiles ever achieve. It has become a true cultural icon. Collectors search for well-preserved examples, classic car enthusiasts celebrate its uniqueness, and younger generations discover it through television, social media, and automotive museums. What was once dismissed as a strange little economy car is now appreciated as a symbol of clever engineering, British creativity, and the willingness to think differently. The Robin reminds us that success isn't always measured by speed, horsepower, or luxury. Sometimes, the smartest ideas are the ones that dare to break the rules. So yes, people laughed at the Reliant Robin, and many still do. But behind every joke is an automobile that made transportation more affordable, challenged conventional thinking, and earned a permanent place in automotive history. It may have had only 3 wheels, but its impact was every bit as memorable as cars with 4. And perhaps that's the greatest achievement of all. Decades after it first appeared, the little Reliant Robin is still making people smile.